Muted Saxophone. First step. Choose a vocal note on which you feel comfortable with and perform it with your head voice. For the second step, add a little whispering just before performing your vocal notes, like if you were blowing on a window to create fog. Third step. Open your mouth and swell your tongue to let a little hole of air on the level of your glottis. Now, hold this position and combine it with the second step. Bonus step. You can play with the opening of your mouth to mute your sound as you want. Job done. Time to freestyle.
Yep.